In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set alert in GoCharting. Alerts are a simple way to keep an eye on the market without staring at the screen. They notify you when price reaches a level you care about, or when specific conditions are met, so you can react quickly and confidently. Let's walk through the process from start to finish. First, open the chart for the symbol you want to monitor. Make sure you're looking at the correct instrument and market session so the alert will reflect the price action you care about. It's also helpful to zoom to the area of interest and confirm your price scale is set the way you prefer, especially if the asset trades with tight decimals or large ticks. Next, look at the bottom bar and click the Alerts button. This opens the Alert Creation dialog. Think of this window as your control center. It's where you choose what you want to be alerted about, how you want to be notified, and what message you'll see when it triggers. If you prefer a more visual workflow, there's another quick way to start an alert. You can right-click directly on the price axis, or on the chart itself, at the exact level you want to monitor. After right-clicking, choose Alert from the menu. This automatically starts creating a price alert at that specific level, which is great for precision. You can still fine-tune the details in the alert window afterward. Now configure the alert. Begin by choosing the alert type. Pick Price Alert if you want to be notified when price reaches a specific value. If your workspace supports it, you can choose Cumulative Volume Delta Alert to be notified when the net buying versus selling volume meets a condition. Then set the alert value or condition. Enter the price or parameter you want to watch, and, for your own clarity later, give the alert a short name and add a custom message that reminds you why you set it. Decide how you want to be notified. Depending on your plan and features, you may see options like a pop-up or a sound. Choose what fits your workflow so you won't miss it, but it also won't be intrusive. Take a moment to double-check the symbol and the exact value you've entered to avoid accidental triggers. When everything looks right, click Create to save the alert. That's it. Your alert is now active, and when the condition is met, you'll receive the notification you selected. This small setup can make a big difference in staying informed and acting at the right moment without constant monitoring.